today's episode of The Rubber Chef. We see how much ass he can fry. Let us see. Please, what are you doing? Rubber. Don't put that in there. We need to eat. Oh. Now what?
No, not yet. Hang on.
Now watch as I eat chicken. Hey, grab the metal.
No, man.
Come on.
No.
Let me, Jay.
Fucking do it.
Hey, fuck you. Dude, these chickens. Done better. This chicken is like the bomb diggy.
Thanks.
Sharon. And dinner. Oil. Crackhead. The crack. Cooking dope on the phone at the same damn time. You shouldn't do that, Aaron. That's bad for you. Phones give you radiation cancer.